Holy crap. I got to report that, honey. I don't think anybody else is on frequency.
Yep. This is K4ARM. Any other reports of severe weather or rotation or funnel cloud in the Lake George area? Please call.
0 LEF traffic.
Yes, go.
It is rotating. It is formed. It appears to be on the ground behind the hills behind.
Yep, Mom is taking pictures.
The Grubbin stuff to the west of the Grubbin stuff on Highway 24.
Okay, now you're in where? You're in Divide?
Lake George.
Okay, Lake George.
Behind the Grubbin.
Yep.
Behind that ridge. So it's in the
They say it touched ground again.
hill behind the ridge behind Lake George.
On the north or south of US 24.
In the north of US 24.
Glad I didn't climb that today. Dude.
Because it's over on the hill.
Okay, lots to write down. Turkey Rock, and it's southwest toward what?
Right towards the other side of Cedar Mountain, the southwest side of Cedar Mountain.
Toward the southwest side of Cedar Mountain from Turkey Rock. Funnel approaching the ground, is that what you said?
I can't tell because it's over the hill there between me and Cedar Mountain. But it looks like it's lifting right now.
Speak, go. EHP, go ahead.
It looks like it may be dissipating or strongly thrown back up into cloud base. No longer a strongly recognizable setting. K0CHP.
Roger. Thank you very much, K4ARM.